Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2022 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat is 17 foot 5 inch from bow to stern, has a beam of 6 foot 10 inches. The weight is a little over 1,500 pounds, and the draft for the hull only is about 10 inches. Starting on the transom, you see this boat's equipped with the 90 horsepower. You also have the swim ladder here on the port side. This boat does have the Teak option, which adds teak to each side on the transom. Of course, this boat does not have a bilge pump. It's self-bailing, so you have your drain plug back here. Big open cockpit area, lots of space. This boat has the upgraded 19-gallon fuel tank above deck. We've also added rod holders. This boat has the bimini top, 316 stainless. It has the hinged Helm seats, which are a really nice feature because they make it easy to move around them when you're going bow to stern. Also at the helm, you've got a nice little storage box here that is drainable. You can put your gear in there. Built-in cooler with seat cushion. You also have a 2-part bow cushion that covers the anchor locker under here. This boat is also equipped with the split bow rail, which is a really nice feature because when you climb in and out of it, it's not obtrusive when you pull up on a beach. Well, again, my name's John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100. Check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.